Welcome to the party, people! If by party you mean like playing checkers with a bunch of stuffed animals, then yeah, this is a party. Hiya, pals. YouTube thought it would be a really good idea to give anybody with a valid Gmail account access to make content. So here's me, SB Mitch. You could follow me on Twitter or Instagram here, and also visit my e-commerce web store on the www.ransomnotesneakers.com. Updates every Friday at 6 p.m. But there's a bunch of stuff on there right now you can check out. New sneakers, lightly worn sneakers, streetwear, some accessories.
No fun call!
Back to school sale is active until the end of the week. So Friday is the last day of the back to school sale where you could save some money on some stuff. If you want to check it out, then cool. What's going on today? Just a bunch of dumb stuff in haul series number 41! Well, it's fall, everybody. You know what that means? A lot of dumb stuff going on, like pumpkin flavored, like everything. College football starts again. For some weird reason, people think taupe is a cool color. But there's so much more that's awesome about the fall. The leaves start changing. It's finally hoodie season. People are adjusting their fantasy football lineups to pretty much anyone that plays the Cleveland Browns. And hypebeasts flock to the streets of New York, Los Angeles, and San Francisco because Supreme is back! Supreme, week 1 was last week. I had a lot of stock and I got a whole bunch of stuff delivered to me by our fuzzy friend who smells like death, the Supreme Donkey. So I think I have 3 things I got straight from Supreme. I don't know which is which because I haven't opened them yet. Last week, everything released on Monday, which is definitely really weird. I was able to get a bunch of stuff on hotel Wi-Fi, 5 megabytes down. So first thing from Supreme comes in a retail bag. 2 BOGO stickers, which is good because I'm running low. And the first thing is, oh, and a bouncy ball! Yes! I'm not gonna lie, I was hoping I was gonna get one of these. I'm pretty pumped on that. First thing out, a red Fall Winter 18 waist bag. I've heard the quality on these is actually really good. Like I've heard they're waterproof. It's not Cordura, which is who they usually partner with on bags and stuff, but here's the first thing, a red Supreme waist bag. So this box looks like it got opened in the process, which is fine. They taped it back up. Hopefully no one grabbed anything out of it, but we'll find out. So, a box within a box in another retail bag, but more BOGOs. And another bouncy ball! This is the Supreme Thermos. Check that out. Thermos. How many ounces is this? 16 ounces, which is pretty good. There's your spoon. It's like a folding spoon, which is really cool. This is actually pretty awesome. You could put tons of soup in here. Everyone knows that soup is the best food, so that's pretty cool. Big fan of this. And on the same order, they gave me a sticker pack with a Madonna sticker that got terribly bent. This is the... I'm taking this out because this thing is megawatt. Newsprint sweater. This thing is definitely loud. I mean, it's all over print. Kinda cool, I guess. It's a size medium, so I don't know if... I mean, I doubt I'll be keeping this, but neat little piece anyway. And next up, this just came in today, actually. I have a feeling I know what this is. This is a big, big, big bag. Comes in an extra large Supreme retail bag. Another bouncy ball! More BOGOs! This is good, I needed to re-up on those anyway. And this here is a Fall Winter 18 red duffel bag. I want to say too that the Supreme writing, the branding on here is actually 3M, which is really cool. Buy red stuff when you want to resell. Neat. This next thing is not from Supreme, but it is a Supreme item. This comes to us from someone that has been on the channel before. Good dude, fellow Beaterbox member. His name is Sage. You could follow him on Twitter @Sage's Souls. Gave me a really good deal on something that I was trying to get. This is the Supreme Diamond something or other toolbox. Little handle, cool. Little thingy things, got Supreme branding in there. This is actually pretty cool. I think the retail on this was like $128 or something like that. I paid a little bit over resale for it, but not by much, so give old Sage a follow @Sage's Souls on Twitter. Thanks, buddy, appreciate you. And the last thing is also a Supreme item, but comes to us from a good friend of the channel. Been on here plenty of times. You can follow him on Twitter at Jersey Souls with a Z. Dude gave me a pretty redonkulous deal on this thing, which I'm pretty stoked about. It comes in a Supreme retail bag, which I did not expect, so awesome, thank you, Jers. But he gave me a really good deal on a spring-summer black waist bag. So we can compare them just by looking at it a little bit bigger. You have the branding on the strap on this one. This is really cool. You guys should definitely check out Jersey Souls at Jersey Souls with a Z on Twitter and Instagram. Really good follow, really good dude. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you big time. And that has been this week's Supreme Heavy Haul. But before I go, I'm gonna go full-on gripe beast in this week's edition of My Unpopular Opinion. So I'll be quick with this. So yesterday on Twitter, I ran a poll asking people if they have certain shoes that they only wear during certain seasons or months of the year. Like if people have shoes that they only wear in the summertime and shoes they only wear in the wintertime. The responses were pretty surprising to me. 86 people total voted. 23% said no, but I get it. 26% said who cares, wear whatever you want. But a very, very good majority of the people, 49%, said yes. The responses themselves were phenomenal. I mean, people made really good points. Actually, Sage said, I'm not gonna wear Timbs in the summertime because my feet are gonna be sweaty. And someone made a really good point saying you wouldn't wear React 87s in Chicago in the middle of February, which makes total sense. There were a lot of responses that said like only high tops in the winter and fall and only runners in the spring and summer, which, I mean, I kind of get it, but me personally, I just can't understand that. Mainly because I'd never really thought about it. When I buy sneakers or I like a pair of sneakers, I usually just go based on if I like them or not. Like, I don't know if I have anything that's going to match them in my wardrobe. I just get them because I think they'll look cool on my feet. That being said, the concept of wearing certain colorways or certain clothes during certain times of year is completely foreign to me. I just get what I think looks cool. But I appreciate the fact that people do care. I see the benefit in it. I personally am not a fashionable dude. I mean, most of my t-shirts are either thrifted, death metal bands, Cleveland themed, or their friends' businesses, or Huff. A good probably 85% of all my t-shirts are black too, so you can't really not match anything with black. I can appreciate people that think matching is really important. It's just not important to me. I don't have style. That's just all there is to it. So there's my gripes for the week. Thank you guys and gals for tuning in. Appreciate each and every one of you. If you have a free second, go to my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, see what's available. New stuff will be up on Friday. You can also follow the Instagram account of the store. It's at ransomnotesneakers. Do not direct message that account. I do not control the account, so I do not respond to direct messages. If you have any questions, hit me up through the website. I want to give a special shout out. Happy belated birthday to longtime pal, cool dude, Big C. You can find him in the comments under Tricks. His birthday was last week, so happy belated birthday, brother. I got a beater box on the way, so you'll be seeing that on Friday. And that's all I got for you guys this week, so till next time, take care of each other, and remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because that's the easiest way to be happy. Bye-bye!